Hello juniors and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the concept of this and these, right? We are going to learn when to write or when to use the word this is and these are. First of all, we use the word this. This is for singular object. We use the word this is for singular and for those things which are close to us and near to us. And we use the word those are for plural objects and for those objects that are close to us, near to us. Now we have some examples. This is an apple. Suppose this apple is close to me. Close to mean I can easily touch this apple, right? Now, as I just say that the word this is used for those things that are near to us, it means for those things to whom we can touch easily. As I have a pencil in my hand, I can say this is a pencil as I can easily touch it, easily pick it, right? Now these are apples. There are more than one apple and all these apples are near to me. I can easily touch it. So that is why I will say these are apple. This is a book. These are books. For plural, we will say these are books. This is a cap. As we can see, this is a single cap. This is a cap. So we will say this is a cap and these are caps because there are more than one cap. Next, this is a sweet. These are sweets. This is a ball, as this is a single ball and I can easily touch it. So this is a ball and these are balls. This is a flower. These are flowers. Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video.